Hello, everybody. I have some big news to share. This is coming from the companies that comprise the DAS ecosystem, and there are just a lot of updates to give you right now. There's a lot of great things going on. So I'm going to try to get through this as fast as possible. As part of our 2-year review, we just had our 2-year birthday on Friday, as everyone probably knows by now. And so there's a natural tendency to look back on the first 2 years and assess what's worked and what hasn't worked. So the founders and the ecosystem company executives have been engaged in that process, and we're making some changes, making some organizational refinements, and all of this is designed to prepare for a whole new phase of growth that is coming with all the new utility that's going to be coming into the platform and to the system. So just be aware that there will be some adjustments being made, and all these are really to help ensure that we achieve the objectives and the goals that have been set out for the ecosystem. So one of the first ones that you'll see is the DAS wallet. A new digital wallet is going live today. So as of noon on Monday, June 18th, we will have a new wallet. And the wallet is, we have a new wallet because we have a lot of new functionality that's coming into our system. And one of the most exciting elements of that is a built-in marketplace. So that is coming. You'll see in the coming weeks, you're going to see this wallet expand and change. We've kept it as comfortable and as similar to the web wallet that you've all known and have been using over the past 2 years. And now we will be unveiling these new functions of the wallet in the next few weeks. You'll start to see a transformation. So you'll start to access your wallet at www.daswallet.com. We'll have the web wallet site will be pointing to that, and this is going to be also the place where we're building in a blockchain-based loyalty program that's built around cycles. So that is where we're going with the wallet. Another new, very exciting development. The Netleaders licenses are going to be transformed, and that transformation is also happening at noon today, June 18th. On this, for the first 2 years, we've been building this global technology network, and we've now reached a point where we can begin offering products built around the capabilities of this network. And so starting June 30th, every license holder since inception will receive an array of new products, all built around what is really, I would describe as world-class CRM systems, customer relationship management systems. These we are calling smart business tools. They're designed for small business owners, professionals, and even private individuals can make use of these tools to help build their business. Really, it's about managing the flow of data that a business is generating and that even individuals generate in their daily lives. It's about organizing that information, controlling it better, and utilizing it better to optimize the value created by the information, by the data we're generating. These products will form the core of the licenses moving forward. and we'll also be we'll also be adding even more of these products. So you'll start to see over the course of time more and more products being added to the license proposition, the value proposition. These are highly retailable products, and they can generate significant profits for our customers and advocates just through retailing them to small business people to help them build their businesses. So you can check out the new products on a revise. We gave the Netleaders site was given a bit of a facelift, and so you can see the new licenses on the netleaders.com site right now. Again, this is just the first in a series of products built around our network capabilities, the natural resources of the ecosystem. We are going to build a number of products. 2 more at least will be appearing before the end of the year. And again, all of these products will be added retroactively to each license. So whatever products are added to the level of license that you have, you will receive those products. So over the course of time, the value of the licenses will just continue to grow. So it's a very exciting thing. Now, cycles, of course, are still a part of the licenses, but they're now just the bonus. They're positioned as a bonus. So starting July 2nd, as part of this new class of license, the cycles will behave slightly differently. It will be a combination of if whoever has known the charter licenses, and then in last November there was a change to the enhanced licenses. These are known as utility licenses, and the way they behave is kind of the best of both the 2 licenses classes before. So you receive a base amount of cycles. Those cycles are under your manual control. You can manually submit those to the minting queue. You can transfer those. You can redeem those. We'll get into all the things that you can do with your cycles, but those are the ones that you will be able to control. All the cycles you receive from upgrades, those cycles will be auto-submitted to the minting queue for the creation of DASCOIN. So those will be submitted, and you would receive DASCOIN for those. So again, best of both worlds. I think everyone's going to be really happy with that. We consulted a lot of the leaders in the network. There's the executives at Netleaders spent a lot of time really trying to hone in on exactly what the attributes would be most ideal for the community. So the other thing that I want to talk about here is kind of an overall strategy of what we're doing, because I think a lot of people are not, it hasn't been as clear as I would like it to be, of kind of what our strategy has been. So during the past 2 years, we've assembled an incredible group of independent entrepreneurs who are passionate about the whole new space of blockchain. And now we've reached a point of critical mass within our community that will allow us to shift into a higher gear. And what we're at this stage, what we're ready to do is begin forming relationships with businesses throughout the world. And these tools, these smart business tools, are they're an ideal way to form these relationships. And this is the beginning of our DASNet strategy. And I think some of you have heard me and others speak about that by the end of this year, we'll be introducing the DasNet app. And the DasNet app is basically, it will optimize time and money for the user of this app. And the way we really see this paying off is we see the businesses making offers. So we really believe that traditional advertising is giving way to a whole new model for businesses and consumers to interact. And where your attention was being disrupted by a business, by a commercial message, that has been the historical way that every business has gotten the attention of consumers. We believe there's a shift happening to a more collaborative model. And we want to facilitate that new model through our platform, through the DasNet solution. And so obviously we are going to be creating this free app and making it available to consumers. But if we're going to facilitate this new model, we need businesses to be on this platform. So that's where, at this moment, where we have a critical mass of entrepreneurs, independent business people, and private individuals that are just very enterprising, we need to reach out to businesses and form those relationships. And it's this customer relationship management tool set that we're incorporating into the license that is the way to meaningfully add value to a business. Now, once they come on that system, we're going to integrate now tools to make offers to consumers, incentivize everything. We're going to do a lot of incentives around purchases through DASCOIN. So that is all coming, and it's all going to be facilitated by the DasNet app. And step one for that to happen are these smart business tools. That's what's going to bring businesses on. And so this whole thing works together to create utility, around around DASCOIN, and basically build out this whole model of community and commerce collaborating together. We really believe that this is the new model of growth going forward, and we are ideally positioned to make the most of that new model. In general, now that the infrastructure is in place and the community has reached a critical mass, it's time to really create massive utility for DASCOIN. And so you're just going to see over the next 12 months more and more ways to use DASCOIN. You're going to be able to make purchases through the payment card and on the app. You're going to be able to back projects on DAS33. You're going to be able to buy products and services through the DAS Wallet Marketplace. You're going to be able to redeem rewards through the loyalty program, and so much more is all going to happen in this. Effectively, this is the beginning of the third year of the ecosystem. So in this third year, which I would call the year of utility, you're going to see so many new ways to use DASCOIN. We've been building up the system, and we've been building up the community, and now all of this is going to start to come together and get very real, very concrete. And so I really applaud everyone who has held the vision, who saw where we're going and held that vision. But now it's going to get much easier for people to get involved because it's going to be much more concrete. With that, I know this has gone a bit long, but there was lots to deliver. So with that, I thank everybody, and we will speak to you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.